Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to load Cignal using GCash without PIN. So let's start. Step 1. You have to purchase the ePIN on GCash. Log in into GCash app and tap Load. Select the non-telco tab, enter the mobile number where you want to receive the ePIN. Tap Next. Go to Cignal tab and choose your desired allowed amount. Tap Buy Now and then Pay to confirm the purchase. Wait for the SMS with the ePIN to arrive to your mobile number you provide. Number 2. Load the ePIN to your Cignal account. Go to Cignal with Blue and Toolbit. Enter your Cignal prepaid account number. Enter the ePIN you received from GCash. Enter the text from image and click Submit. Keep your Cignal box on standby mode for the load to be applied in real time. That's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to follow these steps. Of course, you have to have the PIN on your GCash app to get it. So, thank you for watching this video. Tell me if this works for you on the comments, and if it works for you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.